Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: is the application for your headphones Philips available for your Android device? So I already installed and set up the application what Philips offer for the headphones. It calls Philips headphones. We can open the application and check list with supported devices. So our model is TAH3209, and if we see them as a device list, meaning that the application available for your headphones. So we need to scroll down. Right here we have TAA, series, TAE, TAH, 2000, 4209, 52, but there is no 32, right? Yeah, nothing. We can scroll down, but also not right here. And my short answer is no, the application do not available for your Android device. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.